morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our first Golden Ticket Assembly of the summer term. Yes, we are here again. As you can see, it is Friday, the 22nd of April, 2022. We're here to celebrate all those children in years 3, 4, 5 and 6 who've earned themselves a golden ticket this week, in the first week back. You have been amazing, everyone. What a brilliant start to the summer term. If we can keep this up all the way through, it will be amazing. So really well done to all those children this morning, okay? And what a fantastic start from everyone. So let's start this morning with Year 3. Have a look at those children in Year 3 who won themselves a golden ticket. And in Year 3, Mr. Pinner has a child whose absolutely brilliant attitude to school is always a joy to have in class. She always works hard and has made fantastic progress this year. She's an excellent friend and never has a crossword for anyone. She certainly does. She's always smiling. Her work is beautifully presented. She was one of the first children in the class to earn herself a handwriting pen license. She really was. And she is a fantastically reliable member of our class. And all the adults agree that she thoroughly deserves her second golden ticket this year. Second golden ticket goes to Gabby. There she is, big smile on her face. You are always smiling, Gabby. You should be now. So everyone hopefully has given you a massive cheer. Really, really well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You superstar. Well done, Gabby. On to Mrs. George says this child has come back afterwards with a fantastic attitude and ready to learn. In the holidays, they read a massive 24 times, no less. They're always in school with a fantastic attitude and give their 100% to their work. And for the second time as well, second golden ticket goes to Ramya. Well done, Ramya, you superstar. Keep up that amazing reading over the holidays. Really, really impressive. Well done on your amazing attitude as well when you've come back in. Keep working as hard, buddy. I am so proud of you. On to Year 4, and Miss Barrett says this child has really impressed me over the past few weeks with their attitude to learning. They always read more than 5 times a week at home. They present their schoolwork as neatly as possible in all lessons, and they come to school with a smile on their face every day. They've started making a huge effort recently to be a good friend to others all the time, and they work really nicely with their partner in lessons, which is so lovely to see. It really is. I know they will be so proud to win their first golden ticket of the year, and I hope it encourages them to keep up this lovely behaviour. I totally agree. Golden ticket goes to Tia Rose. Well done, Tia. You absolute superstar. You should be really top. Big smile on your face. Everyone should be giving you a massive cheer as well. Please do keep that up. You have been amazing, amazing. So really well done and well deserved. Enjoy taking it home. I know your brother's going to be proud of you as well. So well done. On to Miss White said this person is a shining example to others. It goes without saying that they read more than 5 times a week and work hard every day. Their work is beautifully presented and they love taking on extra challenges and responsibilities. They could have a golden ticket almost every week, but this time we were especially impressed with how they continue to push themselves over the Easter holidays. They read a staggering 27 times and recorded their thoughts about what they read in their reading record. They also found time to write a story of their own. They certainly did. A very well-deserved second golden ticket goes to none other than, there she is, Jakisha, you absolute superstar. And I've seen that story as well. I've seen the work that she's done over, given her masses of house points as well. So really a well-deserved second golden ticket, Jakisha. You should be very, very proud of you. I know Janisa will be as well. She will be so proud of you as well. So huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home today. On to Year 5, and Miss Arthurton says this week our golden ticket goes to a member of our class that never fails to impress us. Every day they push themselves to do the very best they can. Their commitment to their learning does not stop in the class. Even during the holidays, they continue to learn and develop their knowledge. The confidence this child has developed over the years is amazing. No longer are they the quiet, shy member of the class that was reluctant to answer questions and to participate in lessons. You should be very proud of everything you've achieved so far. You really are a superstar and truly deserve this golden ticket again. You really do. Golden ticket goes to Mason. Here he is. Well done, Mason. I am so proud of you. You should be as well. You're an absolute pleasure to have in this school. So really well done. I'm so proud of you and well done on earning your second golden ticket. On to Miss Musselwhite. My golden ticket winner this week is someone who never fails to give everything they go 110%. They think deeply about their learning and how to improve. Consequently, the assessments we completed before Easter showed that this person has made outstanding progress this year already. They've shown that they can achieve anything they want to with hard work and sheer determination. They're at school every day and they read every day too. Another reason they've made so much progress. With all the learning and progress, they still manage to keep a good sense of humour, which is amazing. For the second time again this year, my golden ticket goes to none other than Racer. Well done, Racer. Look at that massive smile on your face. You should be smiling, Racer. Really, really well done. So proud of you. So huge congratulations. And enjoy taking your golden ticket on, your second one as well. I know Link is going to be very proud of you as well. Well done. On to year 6, and Miss Percy says my golden ticket is awarded to someone who's made an excellent start back after the Easter holiday. This person tries their best in every lesson. Despite the level of challenge, they persevere when they do not find something easy and straightforward. They always read excellently at home, and they are notably always one of the first people to show they are ready to learn in class, which is amazing. This person is kind, helpful, and considerate to others. They're a fantastic role model to their peers and thoroughly deserve another golden ticket. Another second golden ticket goes to none other than Junior. Come on, Junior, massive cheer for you. Really well done. You are amazing. You need to realise how amazing you are, how brilliant you are. So really well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today, you superstar. And finally, Mr. Davison says our golden ticket winner this week has been chosen because of their excellent return to school and their incredible support of others and resilience demonstrated at Kingswood. Really was amazing. This child always arrives in school with an excitement to learn, willingness to try their best, and a positive, friendly attitude. Regularly, they can be seen laughing with their friends, and they generally bring a warmth to the classroom every day with a massive smile as well. Their love of reading continues to be exhibited in their writing, whilst they've also been developing their problem-solving skills in maths, and even enjoying playing in the playground's newest edition, the Sandpit. They certainly do. It was lovely to see you guys in the Sandpit as well. A huge congratulations to this exemplary individual. She really is exemplary. It's none other than Freya. Well done, Freya. I am so proud of you, hon. Really well done. Huge congratulations. And just enjoy your another golden ticket that you've earned in year 6. So really well done. And thank you from Mr. Allen, because you're making my job much easier as well. You superstar. Well done. As I said earlier, it has been an amazing start. What an amazing start to the summer term. Fantastic. Well done to all of you who've earned yourself a golden ticket. If it wasn't you this week, don't worry. Let's try. Keep trying throughout these weeks, right the way through the summer term. See if you can earn yourself a golden ticket. It has been a brilliant start from everyone. Let's keep it up, please, all the way through. Just as I said, right at the beginning of assembly. And we will have the most amazing summer term. Thank you, everyone. And until next week, bye-bye now.